Hi everyone. So apart from being a photographer, I am also associated with learning and development. Been over a decade now, and I get to do a lot of content creation. I deliver that content. I interact with a lot of people, and I thought that now that we have a lot of time to connect with you, share my learning, and in the bargain learn something out of all of you. In my first video, I'm going to be talking about a topic which is called as habits. Now, each one of us has a habit that you either want to start or stop. I'm going to be talking about certain tips and tricks, ones that have helped me get a few of these habits successfully inculcated in my lifestyle. And now that we have 21 days on our hand, everybody is home because that's pretty much the time that it takes to kickstart a very basic habit. And over a period of time, when you keep practicing it over 2 to 3 months, it becomes a part of your lifestyle. Today being day one, I'm going to get you guys to think about that one habit that you wish to start or stop. Okay, think about it and make sure that it's a very simple habit, not over the top. Also, whether if it is realistic or no. So once you figure out the habit that you want to start or stop, I'm going to ask you to use this technique which is called as cueing or triggering, right? What it means is that, for example, if you want to start the habit of brushing your teeth, we all know it's important, but we don't do that because of various reasons. So what helps me is a cue or a trigger. Right after my dinner, when I have a small piece of dark chocolate, that's a cue for me subconsciously that now after this I need to go and brush my teeth. For each one of us, there could be different cues and triggers. For some, it could be when you sit to read a book, to when you are setting up an alarm, so on and so forth. So for today, I want you to figure out the habit that you want to start or stop, and figure out a cue that after that specific action you will do this habit. Okay, my first IGTV video, so I'm going to get you guys to share it with friends, family, whoever needs this. Let's make these 21 days really beneficial for everybody. DM me, let me know your thoughts around this. If there's anybody specifically wanting to connect one-on-one, happy to have a chat. Let me know if there's any other specific topic that you want me to talk about, and we'll try and create some more content around that. So get going guys, and let's make these 21 days really good for all of us.